Okay. Hello everyone. My name is Anthony and I'm from Peru. I hope you can have patience with my English. So, the purpose of this exercise is to record clothing entries. And to start, we need to register for clothing entries: revenues, expenses, income loss, and dividends. To be able to learn it more easily, we will remember that we are going to debit revenues and income and income. Um, and everything else is credited. That is to say, expenses and dividends. I debit revenues and credit income summary. I debit income and credit retained earnings. I credit expenses and debit income summary. I credit dividends and debit retained earnings. We are going to solve the exercise. Here we have many accounts, but we will only need the revenues here, the expenses, and the dividends. Only these three. First, we will debit the revenues and then we will credit income summary. Okay, I am copying the amounts. Income summary is the sum of these two amounts. Second, we will credit the expenses and then we will debit income summary. Okay, I am copying the amounts. Income summary is the sum of these five quantities. Third, we are going to debit income summary. This is the subtraction of income summary in revenues in the revenues minus the income summary of expenses. I will subtract this amount minus this amount. Then we will credit the same amount as retained earnings. Fourth, let's credit the dividends. I will copy this amount then we debit retained earnings, and this is the same amount. This is all. Thanks for listening to me.